again, like I said, we are doing this very easy for you guys to see because I'm trying to make everything very easy for you guys. So today we'll be talking about fair value gap or FUG. Okay, fair value gap. You guys have heard the other fair value gap. Or I think I need to make this word very bold. FVG. So this is what we call fair value gap. Okay, and fair value gap is simply areas whereby we have this very strong move or where enough players get in the game. Okay, this is why we call it fair value gap, and this is also found at all time frame. Okay, so everything about Forex graphs consists on time frame, right? If you remember when I tell you say Forex is a lifestyle game, if you watch my first video I talked about it. Say Forex is a lifestyle game and everything consists on time frame, and time frame is our compass on the chart, right? So after when you actually know more about time frame, then the rest comes along. Okay, so FUG is found across all charts, and whereby we say an FVG is an areas where we have this strong momentum where players, huge players stepped in. Okay, and it's found in different areas. And also you guys keep hearing the word FUG, right? You guys keep hearing the word FUG, imbalance and all these things. These are also the same thing. Okay, let me write it down. IMB. Okay, imbalance, FUG. This fuck. Okay, I'm coming. Let me do it properly. I think this one will be much better. So okay. IMB, yeah, imbalance also. So I needed to bring this thing to you guys concepts, like these two are the same. Okay, I'll explain to you guys why I keep saying they are the same, because they're also doing the same thing. Okay, so they're also doing the same thing. So guys, this is how it will look like, right? So we say break of structure, and this also occurs at every swing. All right, so let's say we have this swing here like this. So this imbalance happens, this imbalance happens at every swing. Okay, 1 year. So these are the imbalance works. So if a move is going up like this, just know that this move, for it to get to this point or to get to this point A or to point B, there's a strong pressure here. For this move to also come down here, there's also a strong pressure here. For this move to go up, there's also a strong pressure. So for every swing that is being created, there's a pressure of fair value gap or imbalance. Okay, so let me show you how a fair value gap looks like and how imbalance still look like. They are the same thing. So a fair value gap is being seen to be this part of the candle whereby we have this candle closure if a candle did not mitigate it properly. So that will be called a fair value gap. Okay, let me thank God we have this good price movement. Okay, so you guys can actually see what a fair value gap is being called. This is actually live, and the real trading view, don't get me guys wrong, this trading view is also like trading view, but we don't have a replay button here. So I'm doing anything you see I'm doing on this at interface, it means it's live. Okay, so the rest trader will use the normal trading view whereby though you get this good interface where they'll be able to repeat charts to show you some kind of concept on that. But this is where the magic works. So guys, if I say fair value gap, if you can see the way this fair value gap now, whereby we have this strong imbalance inside here. You can see this candle did not come in. You can see this other last candle did not come in. So a candle movement needs to be pierced in like something like this. You see the way this candle drops here, then this other candle retraced inside. So candle need to be retraced like in and out, right? The same way you have your swing guy, that's the same way candle moves, because price ticks, right? So people buy at a lower tick, people buy at a higher tick. So each candle tick are people pressing buttons, okay? So when you see this strong button whereby people massively pull button, and this is also, guys, also get this right, this imbalance is found at all price movements, and if it's not the proper imbalance for it to go to the direction you are looking for, it will fail. Okay, let me say you are looking to get a buy position, just like this, and the trend direction is telling us we are going to the downside, and we have a fair value gap that is going to the upside, right? We are not, that means we are buying against the market, so we need to actually like align ourselves with the direction before these concepts you are using, fair value gap, imbalance, you are using, works. Okay, we need to actually align ourselves with the same time frame. Okay, so guys, let me show you one thing, how this fair value gap looks like. Okay, now we'll carry our rectangular box. So our rectangular box, now let's mark out this fair value gap. If you guys can see, price is close to the fair value gap. Okay, price is very close to this fair value gap, or if not being mitigated at a lower time frame of this longer week, but price is very close at our fair value gap, whereby we can say once price gets in here, we might see a push to the upside, or once price break down, we might see a push to the downside. So this is how a fair value gap is being marked at every swing high, and get this at the back of your mind, this happen at all time frame. So depending on the time frame you are looking at, or depending on the time frame you are looking this or looking to take this from. Okay, and for the imbalance, it's still the same thing, guys. If you trade the concept of supply and demand, right? You trade the concept of supply and demand, you actually know this what we call the imbalance, where we say the imbalance is the last candle before the impulsive move. This is the same thing we're talking about. Fair value gap is basically found majority of the time at the middle. Okay, so for those who trade currency pair, I will say fair value gap. So those gap, that one is actually a real gap. So why for concept of supply and demand, the gap is like something downward. Let me clone this my tool. So for supply and demand, the imbalance is like down here, then the fair value gap is up here, something like that. But guys, these are still the same thing. Sometimes this imbalance will still go to the upside, like in the middle range of the chart and all that, which you still get a supply there and all that. Okay, so let me just point how you can get an imbalance with a buy and a sell trade here quickly for you guys to see. Okay, or we can get a fresh hand. Let's see. You can see, guys, this, you have a fresh imbalance here. You can see where this is an imbalance also. So tell me the difference between point A and point B. Because this is, look at the difference, because here we just got into our very retracements. You know, we say swing low and swing low, price need to come to a discount to a premium zones. For a buy, it will be for a discount, for a sell to be a premium. So for this buy, you can see price came in to the discount, as well on the discount zone. That's where we made the imbalance, or you can call it fair value gap or imbalance. Then you see when price came back to fill in that zone before going to the upside. This is how it works, guys. So the same thing for the same sell, just like I said, flip your chart. Same thing, this is how it will look on the sell side also, whereby price broke to the downside, then left an imbalance which we call supply price take it down. So guys, if you found this video very helpful and very interesting, guys, hit that subscribe button and keep sharing this video. I'm trying to make this as easy as it can be, so you guys don't get everything being complicated on the chat anymore. Okay guys, if you found this video very helpful, hit that subscribe button and help this channel to grow, guys. See you soon on the next video.